Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. So now in this lecture I am going to explain types of hydrogen bonding. Types of hydrogen bonding. So now in this first type is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So now intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what is intermolecular hydrogen bonding? If hydrogen bond present between two molecules, hydrogen bond present between two molecules is known as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so if hydrogen bonding or hydrogen bond present between two molecules known as intermolecular hydrogen bond or hydrogen bonding. Example, first one, hydrogen fluoride. So now hydrogen fluoride. So now hydrogen bond, high electronegative atom and hydrogen. So now this is first molecule, and this is second molecule, and this is the third molecule. So now between molecules, so their existence of what? Hydrogen bond. So it is known as what? Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Another example is water molecule. So now here oxygen, hydrogen. So now here hydrogen, it is the oxygen. So now here between high electronegative atom and hydrogen, so now this is first water molecule, second water molecule, third water molecule, between water molecules. So now hydrogen bond is existing. So now this is known as what? Hydrogen bond. So another example is ammonia molecule. Ammonia molecule. So now here nitrogen. Okay, so write hydrogen. So now here nitrogen, hydrogen. So now nitrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. We know that high electronegative atom. Okay, between hydrogen and high electronegative atom, hydrogen and high electronegative atom. So now this is a intermolecular hydrogen bond. Second type of hydrogen bond is intramolecular hydrogen bond or intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So what is intramolecular hydrogen bond? If hydrogen bond takes place within the molecule, so that is known as what? Intramolecular hydrogen bond. For example, orthonitrophenol. So this is its name is orthonitrophenol. Okay, for our convenience, so this is the molecule I am writing like this. Okay, oxygen, hydrogen. This is the OH group. NO2 group, N double bond O, and this is another oxygen. So now between this hydrogen and oxygen, so their formation of what? Hydrogen bond. Between this hydrogen and oxygen, so now this is known as what? Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. So now what happened here? Here this is only one molecule. This is only one molecule. So within the molecule, hydrogen bond is taking place. So that is known as what? Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. So another example. Another example. Orthofluorophenol. 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 Its name is orthofluorophenol. Orthofluorophenol. So now for our convenience, I am writing like this. Okay. So this is oxygen and this is the hydrogen. So this is fluorine. Okay. So now this is high electronegative atom and this is the hydrogen. So their formation of what? Hydrogen bond. So now this is known as what? Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. So now another example is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So its name is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Same here also, for our convenience, I am writing okay. So now this is carbon. It is a structure of aldehyde. So now this is oxygen. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. So now between these two, oxygen and hydrogen, so there is a formation of what? Hydrogen bond. So now this is what? Hydrogen bond. So now all these are examples of what? Intramolecular hydrogen bond. So within the molecule hydrogen bond is existing. Within the molecule hydrogen bond is existing. So this is known as what? Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Extent of hydrogen bond. So what is the meaning of extent of hydrogen bond? Is the number of hydrogen bonds formed by a molecule. Formed by a molecule is known as what? Extent of hydrogen bond. Extent of hydrogen bond. Number of hydrogen bonds formed by a molecule is known as what? Extent of hydrogen bond. For example, okay, first example I am taking ammonia molecule. Ammonia molecule. So now I am writing structure of ammonia molecule. For our convenience I am writing like this: hydrogen, and it is hydrogen. So this is highly electronegative. It will get a partial negative charge. It is partial positive charge. It is also partial positive charge. So now hydrogen bonds between. So now here it is another ammonia molecule. So now here it is another ammonia molecule, and here also it is another ammonia molecule. So on this we have what? Pair of electrons. On this we have what? Pair of electrons. So now on this we have what? Pair of electrons. So now this is partially positively charged hydrogen, and this is pair of electrons. So their formation of what? Hydrogen bond. So now here also formation of what? Hydrogen bond, and here also formation of hydrogen bond. And here on nitrogen. On nitrogen. So on nitrogen also, here it is what? Partially negative charge. On nitrogen also we have what? Pair of electrons. Pair of electrons. So now here it is, this is the pair of electrons. So now here it is a hydrogen. Okay. So now this is a NH2. So now this is partially positive charge and it is partially negative charge. So now here it is between hydrogen and this pair of electrons, their formation of what? Hydrogen bond. So now total 4 hydrogen bonds. Total 4 hydrogen bonds are formed. Okay. So next example. Second example is a water molecule. Second example is what? Water molecule. So name for our convenience I am writing like this. This is a oxygen. Okay. So write this is hydrogen and it is also hydrogen. So now here we have what? One pair of electrons. Here also what we have? What? Pair of electrons. So this is highly electro negative. So it will get a partial negative charge. So these are getting partial positive charges. Partial positive charges. So now here now here it is a H2O and here also we have what? H2O, water molecules. Water molecules. So now here we have what? On this oxygen we have what? Pair of electrons. So on this oxygen we have what? Pair of electrons. So now between this partially positively charged hydrogen and between this pair of electrons, their formation of what? Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. So now here these are the pair of electrons. So now between this pair of electron and here we have what? Hydrogen. Okay. So now this is what? Another water molecule and here also we have what? Hydrogen and this is also another water molecule. So now here also same. It is highly electronegative. Highly electronegative getting partial negative charge. This is partial positive charge and it is also partial positive charge. And here also same partially negative and it is also partial positive. And here also it is partial positive. So now between partially positive charged hydrogen and this electron pair. So their formation of what? Hydrogen bond. Formation of what? Hydrogen bond. So now total here also total 4 hydrogen. Okay. So how many total? 4 hydrogen bonds. Third example is hydrogen peroxide. Third example is hydrogen peroxide H2O2. H2O2. So now it is oxygen, hydrogen and it is hydrogen. Here it is a partial negative charge. Here it is a partial positive charge and here also it is partial positive charge. So now in H2O2, so remaining how many? 1. Here it is also partial negative charge. So here pair of electrons are there. Okay, 1, 2, here also 1, 2. Okay, it is partial negative charge and it is also partial negative charge. So now this is a hydrogen. Able to form hydrogen bond with what? Okay, so it is a first hydrogen bond. So now it is a second hydrogen bond. So now it is a third hydrogen bond. So it is a fourth hydrogen bond. So now it is a fifth hydrogen bond. It is also sixth hydrogen bond. Now in H2O2 how many total? 6 hydrogen bonds. So now it is what? It is a pair and it is also pair of electron and it is also pair of electron and it is also pair of electron. Okay. So now highly electro, this is partially positive. Okay. Bonded with what? Pair of electrons of what? Other oxygen. Here also this is what? Pair of electrons bonding with partially positively charged hydrogen of other H2O2 molecule. So like the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here total total 6 hydrogen bonds. 6 hydrogen bonds. And the next example is hydrogen fluoride. Next example is what? Hydrogen fluoride, and it is somewhat important. Here it is hydrogen fluoride. So here how many? So total 3 pairs of electrons are present on fluorine. 3 pairs of electrons are present on fluorine. So total, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here expected hydrogen bonds are 4, but actual hydrogen bonds are 2 only. Actual hydrogen bonds are 2 only. Here the structure of hydrogen fluoride, here hydrogen, this is a fluorine. So now it is pair of electrons, and it is also pair of electrons, and it is also pair of electrons. So now it is partially it gets a negative charge and partially it gets a positive charge. So now pair of these electrons forms a bond with hydrogen fluoride. So now same here also it is partially negative charge, it is partially positive charge. So between partially positively charged hydrogen and this pair, so their formation of a hydrogen bond. So now here it is partially positively charged hydrogen, and this is what? Hydrogen fluoride. So now here it is what? It is a pair of electrons are there. So now here also pair of electrons, here also pair of electrons. So now between these two, okay, so pair of electrons and partially positively charged hydrogen, so their formation of hydrogen bond takes place. So now how many hydrogen bonds? So now here total 2 hydrogen bonds only. Total 2 hydrogen bonds only it is forming. Here it is able to form 4 hydrogen bonds, but due to small size of fluorine, out of 4 hydrogen bonds, 2 hydrogen bonds broken. 2 hydrogen bonds are broken. Because of what? Because of electronic repulsions. Because of electronic repulsions present between electron pairs. So now this is the exception case, and it is very, very important. Okay, so what we are expecting by seeing this structure of hydrogen fluoride, we are expecting 4 hydrogen bonds are present, but due to small atomic size and due to electronic repulsions, out of 4 hydrogen bonds, 2 hydrogen bonds are broken. Only this is the lone pair, and another hydrogen is forming hydrogen bonds. So this is the extent of hydrogen bonding.